Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. Children, as part of our formative assessment 1 revision, we have already seen about the globe, a model of the earth, where we learnt about the different lines which are present on the globe, like the vertical lines and the horizontal lines. What are the important vertical lines, like longitudes, and the horizontal lines, latitudes, we have seen in the previous classes. Today let me move on to the landforms, children. Under landforms also different kinds of hilly regions present in Telangana region we have seen. You remember, children, where are the Satmala hills are located? In Adilabad. The Balaghat hilly ranges are located in which district of Telangana? In Mehboob Nagar. And Karimnagar has what kind of mountain ranges, children? Rocky mountains and Kandikal hills are present in this region. So this kind of landforms we have seen. And under that we have seen different kinds of landforms, like mountains we have learned, okay, plains we have seen, and plateaus we have seen. What are plains and plateaus, children? Plains are evenly distributed land surface which is fertile, which has the fertile soil, are called as plains. Under this only we have learnt about Penamakuru. So Penamakuru is completely plain area, okay, where it is agriculturally prosperous. And plateau is a region which is located above the sea level, okay, often with a rocky surface and uneven. It's not even even, it is uneven and with a rocky surface, and it is above the sea level. It's not a gentle slope, but you find steep slopes in the plateau region. So here under this you have seen the region called as Dokuru, which is located in Telangana plateau region. So the syllabus forms the Penamakuru as a part of our FA1 syllabus. So Penamakuru, under Penamakuru we have learned that it is located in between the Krishna river and Bandar canal. In between these two the Penamakuru is located. So Penamakuru has a prosperous soil. You know, the soils like Ondrubhumi, that is the alluvium soil which gets deposited because of the river Ondrubhumi is present in this Penamakuru. And apart from that there are a fine clayey black soils called as Nallaregadi, and these soils are very much sticky, and they are moisture retentive. The moisture can be retained for a longer period of time, which allows for the development of the agriculture. And you know, during the period of June to October there will be heavy rainfall in the region, and which is also helpful for the agriculture there. And we have seen under the crops, paddy is extensively cultivated in this region. And apart from that, you know, the varieties of paddy which is grown here are Swarna, BPT, MTU, 2716. These varieties of paddy is grown abundantly here. And apart from that, there are two kinds of transplantation which take place. Transplantation means vittadam, sowing, is generally done by the woman, but whereas harvesting is done with a few, is generally done by women. And you know, the transplantation is mainly done by the woman, and whereas harvesting is done by men and women together. From the month of December, they sow a winter crop called as dalwa. Dalwa is generally, this is either paddy or those or pulse crop, and dalwa they call it as. During the last few years, many farmers have been cultivating sugarcane also instead of paddy in this region. And you know, in olden days, the Penamakuru people have cultivated red gram, green gram, millets on the uplands. But nowadays, they have been replaced. These uplands or these lands are called as Garva Bhumulu. So these kinds of lands are very much suitable for the cultivation of vegetables and fruits. And there are different kinds of fruits they grow here, and different kinds of vegetables also they grow in this region. There are many orchids, okay, pantal, what we call total, pandla total, we call it as. Fruits, orchids are also present in this region. And the fruits like bananas and many other things, many other crops are also grown here. And this is one of the most important crop even in this region. So it's about the Penamakuru, children. And the land, there are 750 families are present in Penamakuru. 10 of them have more than 10 acres of land and above. And if you look at their settlement, most of them, the main village is inhabited only by the landlords, and most of them got settled in the nearby areas on the bank of the canal towards the south of the village. In the middle of the village we can find kirana shop, banks and RMP doctor, and medical shops, iron welding shops, and hair salon, tiffin centers. These kind of things you can find in the middle of the village. So apart from that, animal rearing, poultry is also famous there. We shall learn about them in the next class, children. Thank you.